Jeez, I hope I bought enough candy this year. Oh, hey, how's it going? Happy Halloween. Hey, wait a minute. You guys look a little old to be trick-or-treating. Well, if you are trick-or-treating, you're in luck because I got Butterfingers, Nestle's Crunch, and Baby Ruth. I guess someone ate all the damn Baby Ruth. Oh, no, here's one. But all I'm saying is Butterfingers are my favorite. Man, I remember being a kid. It was like, that'd be the first thing I would go for in my bag. That and Reese's. Those are just my two favorites. Also, I know you guys will notice that I'm dressed like a pirate. I don't know if you guys remember the Garfield Halloween? Remember as a kid, the cartoon with the skeleton pirate? Man, that scared the crap out of me. I don't know if it scared you guys, but I'll never forget that. But enough of that Halloween stuff. I know what you guys are here for, and it's for the info. So, in the spirit of Halloween, I'm gonna give you guys a treat. In today's video, I'm gonna be letting you guys know an updated list of accounts that you should be getting if you're trying to build a CPN or your regular social, if you have a blank file or have very little history. So stay tuned. Happy Halloween, everybody. Before I start this video, I'd like to say, please hit like and subscribe and all that good stuff. It helps me grow my channel, and once I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be able to actually put a merchandise store at the bottom of the screen, so you guys will be able to buy t-shirts, all sorts of cool Crusader merchandise. The only problem is, YouTube, you gotta have 10,000 subscribers, so that for right now is my goal. I know you guys won't let me down. Also, if you need to get a hold of me, reach out to me on Skype. My Skype contact information is in the description section of this video, as it is in all my other videos. And if you'd like to get a one-on-one with me for 1 hour, it's $150. We can talk about whatever you want, and I'll answer any questions you may have. And if you would like to take my CPN creation workshop that's hosted by yours truly, that's $275. Again, just reach out to me on Skype. We'll set it all up, and I'll get you going. Okay, so as far as the content of today's video, it's gonna be, what's the best account to get if you have a blank credit profile? Now, I must be asked this all the time. Credit Crusader, what's the best account to get if you have a blank profile? What's the best account if I don't have a score? I've said the answer to this, but I'm gonna spell it out. It's an authorized user trade line with 6 months of history. Why 6 months? Because 6 months of history will give you a credit score. If you just add like some brand new trade line on there, it's not going to give you a score. It'll give you a score on Credit Karma, but that's a Vantage score. If you want an actual FICO score, you got to have 6 months of age. And when I say a trade line, it doesn't have to be super expensive. I mean, a trade line like that shouldn't cost no more than $200. That's if you buy it. But I mean, you can get your friend, your mother, your girlfriend, your brother, whatever. If you have them add you, it works just the same. But that's just one thing that I strongly recommend. I would never try to apply anything if I didn't have a score. If I did not have a score on my credit profile, I would not apply for anything until I got a score by adding an AU. Now after that, once that posts and you have a score, now you go over to Credit Strong, Self Lender, Kickoff Credit, Capital One secured card, Citibank secured card. Notice I'm not saying Discover secured card. We all know why that is. That's because Discover's lost their damn minds. I mean, they hit you with that document if you're a social, if you're a CPN, and even if you sign it, I've heard they close accounts down. I don't know what's going on over there, but for me, I stay away from Discover. I no longer want to have anything to do with them just because of the shit they've pulled. So with that being said, the list is, listen up, the list is Credit Strong, Self Lender, Kickoff Credit, the Citibank secured card, Capital One. Now Capital One is a card I would not try to get if you have a CPN. I would only do that if you had a social. Only because they're notorious for jamming you up with documents and giving you pushback. The CPN, they're not really CPN friendly. So if you have a CPN, I would go with the Citibank secured card. If you don't have a CPN and you're using a social, I would go over to Capital One. There you go. You heard it from the Crusader. So once you build up that foundation with those few accounts that I just told you, now you can start going into bigger stuff after they've aged as primaries for a few months. Now you can try going to Synchrony and Citibank and all those other, actually get better accounts. But if you're just starting out, here's the breakdown. I'll break it down for you again. It's authorized user trade line with a minimum of 6 months age. Wait for that to post. Then you go down to Credit Strong, Self-Lender. Credit Strong and Self-Lender are pretty much, they're comparable. So, I mean, you don't have to get both. You can just get one or the other. And then I would go to Kickoff. I'd go to Kickoff Credit regardless, just because they're free and they're easy to get. So it's like, might as well throw that on there to have one more account. Another thing you guys need to know is the more accounts a credit profile has, the stronger it is. When lenders look at your credit profile, they want to see a lot of accounts. They don't want to see some guy with just like 2 old accounts and that's it. They don't want to see that. They want to see multiple accounts, multiple different types of accounts. They want to see some credit cards, some loans, auto, home loan. They want to see a mix. They want student loans. They want to see all this different stuff, because that makes a complete file and looks to lenders like you're responsible with how to manage your money. All right? So the Crusaders got to start heading out. It is Halloween, and I've got some parties to go to. I got a hot date tonight. So I'm going to go. But as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out. Well, it's starting to get late. I'm almost out of candy. The trick-or-treaters stopped coming. Where the hell is my date? I mean, she should have been here by now. It's like she's usually like out saving the universe and all that stuff, but I mean, tonight she said that, she had a surprise for me and we were gonna have a great time. I hope she's okay. Where are you? It's getting late. I mean, nobody gets stood up. Oh, well, hello. You look great. Ooh. Well, I guess that's my cue. Happy Halloween from the Crusader and Supergirl to all of you guys. Stay safe. Crusader out.
Unpleasant dreams.